Hello, actually I'm going to show you how to repair Remington shaver 1955. This is a shaver uh, which is designed and created 1955. So remove the rebinding of the armature. There is a Z5U capacitor, you have to remove it as well. Start and run capacitor which is blasted and you cannot use it anymore, so you have to remove it. And this one also you have to remove it with one resistance behind, and another board which is similar to the resistance, you have to remove it. And remove all the winding of the armature and try to rewind the armature using size 30 of the copper wire and 60 turn per each of them, and then another 60 turn, and finally after rewinding you have to use an armature. You have to use like adapter like this one, and then it's easy to use it again. A shaver which is designed and created 1955. So this is the blasted run and start capacitor which cannot be used anymore. So after rewinding the armature with a size 30, 60 turn per each, clockwise or counterclockwise, there's no difference, but all of them, 3 of them should be clockwise or 3 of them should be counterclockwise, and then it's easy. Then you can use the same adapter that I showed you to run the in a very good quality that you can use the shaver. As you can see,